In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in QuickBooks Online. Attaching documents like receipts, invoices, or work orders to your transactions helps keep your books clean, audit ready, and easy to review later. Let's walk through a simple, reliable workflow to add a document to an expense. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and head to your main dashboard. At the top left, move your mouse over the Create option to reveal the transaction menu. From that list, choose Expense. This opens a new expense form where you can enter details and link your supporting file. Begin by selecting the payee. This is the vendor, supplier, or person you paid. Picking the right payee ensures the attachment is tied to the correct contact and shows up where you expect it to in reports and vendor history. Next, choose the payment account you use, such as the appropriate bank or credit card. This helps keep your cash and card balances accurate and aligns the document with the funding source. Now it's time to attach your document. Look for the Add Attachment option within the expense form, click it, and your computer's file browser will open. Navigate to the file you want to attach, typically a receipt image or a PDF copy of an invoice. Before you select it, make sure the file is clear and readable, and that the name makes sense for quick identification later. Using descriptive names and keeping files in an organized folder can save time during audits or month-end close. Select the document, then click Open to begin attaching it to the expense. You'll usually see a brief upload indicator, followed by a small thumbnail or file name confirming the file has been added. If you don't see it after a moment, check your internet connection or confirm the file type is a common format like a PDF or image. Large files can take a little longer to upload, so give it a few seconds if needed. With the attachment in place, review the expense details for accuracy. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your document is now securely linked to that expense, so anyone reviewing the transaction later can see the original support with a single click. This is especially helpful for audit trails, reimbursements, and keeping your accounting compliant and transparent. That's it. Quick, consistent, and organized. Follow this same flow anytime you enter an expense that needs backup documentation, and you'll have a neat searchable paper trail right inside QuickBooks Online.